In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration exercise 3.4, question number 1, part 2. And question we have integral of natural log of x dx. As I have told you that this exercise is based on by parts and this function should be the product. So we have only log of natural log of x. We do not have the other, so you have to multiply with 1 because there should be u and v. So 1 is given, maybe this is u or maybe this is v. The second is missing, so we have to write down 1, means natural log of x multiplied by 1, because technically when we will multiply any number or anything with 1, it will remains the same. But now we have natural log of x into 1, we should consider 1 as a u, 1 as a v. The formula we will use, which is same u v dx. How we will expand this formula? U integral of v dx negative integral of same whatever we have written here, one more integral, and then u prime dx. So see here, in this case we will consider natural log of x as a u is equal to natural log of x, and v is equal to 1. Why I say that v is equal to 1, not u is equal to 1, I will show you when we will solve the problem. So u is natural log of x, put the value, just follow this formula. Instead of v, it is 1 dx minus integral of 1 okay, we will write down 1 dx, and then u, what is u? Natural log, so d by dx, we have to take the derivative of natural log of x because this is u and dx. So this natural log of x will remains the same. The integration of 1 dx or only dx is x minus same, this is 1 dx, it will remains the same, and the derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x dx. So see, if I will say that u is equal to 1, so here we have to take the derivative of 1, which then the derivative of constant is 0. That is why we say u is equal to natural log of x and v is equal to 1. Okay, so natural log of x, and we have to multiply these two, so I can write down here, and this x will cross this x, only again we have 1 dx. It is x natural log of x minus x plus c. If you want, you can take x as a common. In the parenthesis we have natural log of x minus 1 plus c. This is, you can say this is your answer of, or in your book if you have this answer, so then you have to take x as a common. Right? Still any point is not clear, you can ask me without any hesitation. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.